This is Tim Goodsell with Goodsell Home Inspections. I wanted to show you a few things about water heaters. First off, there's what you call an air gap down here at the discharge line, which is very rarely done right. That seldom happens. So if you have a air gap at your ice machine or your furnace or your water heater, this is the right way to do it. That's for health reasons, so that you don't get your fresh water contaminated. Also, this has a drain and a drain pan, but this drain line goes out the side of the house, which is a common issue that would be much better if it drained, say, into the garage, say about 6 inches off the floor, pointed at the floor, so that if anything's leaking up here, it would discharge in the garage and get the owner's attention, and they'd know to call the plumber right away. This water heater also has a typical raw wire running to it, the feeder wire. That would be much better if it had a conduit on it or flex conduit on it to keep it from melting or shorting out and causing problems. We also have a expansion tank, which isn't always there. In older homes it might be missing. Quite often it is. That's a good thing to add when you put in a new water heater. It's required by building safety requirements. Its purpose is to keep the water pressure from pounding your faucets and your pipes and generating leaks. So it's a good thing to have installed, especially when you're putting in a new water heater. That's real easy to do. And right here in the middle, this thing with the yellow tag on it is the what's referred to as the pop-off valve. And on that yellow sticker, it recommends that you have this inspected every year by your plumber, which is a great idea because this is an important safety feature, and you want it working right at all times, just for your protection. But those are a few common things. Sometimes the pans aren't there, and in the attic especially, you want a pan to you don't want ceiling damage, of course. But that ought to sum it up. This is Tim Goodsell with Goodsell Inspections.